Good morning everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel MJ22 Adventures. It's been so long since we haven't tried to film our daily ride sending MJ to the office. So we are now trying the Audiomat today. It was sent by JBG so that you could hear MJ loud and clear, connected to our
GoPro Hero 8. Tama?
yeah, GoPro top and intercom.
Oh. Hello. I'm here at Backseat.
So we'll try to do the test on this Audiomat on how it works. So actually we miss doing it. Dugay na gyud mi wala naka-ride because of my condition, but still trying to.
Just a test for today because John will send me off to work. So might as well test the new gadget that JBG sent us.
So probably the next video we'll try to use our new 360 camera. I'm still figuring out the connections and everything, so
That will keep you busy.
so again, good morning and greetings from
Cagayan de Oro,
Philippines. Say good morning and hi, hello to John Dolahite,
Bev Wenzel,
Bev Wenzel, Michael Marion.
Sir Adam Pierce. I hope you are recuperating well.
Okay, so take care, buddy, and hope everything will be going good in your end.
Maayong buntag, and also to our new followers and subscribers. Welcome to our channel. Good morning.
So actually I'm having hard time this few months or years on riding our motorcycle because of my condition, but still God's grace will be able to do the rides, and I able to send MJ to the office. For the sake of this video, for the new gadget that we have, so here we go. Our channel has been gone stagnant for quite some times. I have all the gadgets that I need, but I don't have the luxury to make the videos, so
Doesn't have the luxury to do the ride because of this medical condition.
So for those of you still out there supporting our YouTube channel, thank you so much. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan o
Maraming salamat po
sa among mga kahigalaan nga naa permi nagsuporta na minaw ug namati sa among programa Mayong Buntag.
Andumanan.
Andumanan sa kahawit. Oh, it's green, it's green.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, go, go, go. It's green.
The little,
We don't want to be stuck in the traffic
Yeah.
with the heat because MJ can't bear it. So go green.
So the weather here in the Philippines is half summer and half rainy, because during the day, like in the morning, you can see the sun, and half of the day it will hide and it will be gloomy, and then it will be rainy. So
So
half of whole day has still weather.
JBG, morning Xaviero. I hope you can see ginabungkag na nila diha.
They will
Oh.
build school,
Xavier University. So diri na.
and at the same time condominium and dormitories
Ang dati nga mura na siya, Manresa
for
Farm. So soon to be Xavier University.
it will no longer be in the downtown Xavier
Yeah.
University. Mayor Dicade.
So we talked last night, JBG and I, then he asked about some establishments here, how it's going here for almost 24 years that he's been out.
23.
So a lot of things has changed in the city. So probably when he get back here, he will get lost. So a lot of things that he asked me what happened. So that's it. I have to show him the place that's going to be the new school for the university. So mga higala, medyo dili kayo traffic. So na-miss na mo ang mga rides. If I am not sick, so I probably be doing the rides almost every day, going somewhere else. So last summer we stayed at home because of my condition. So wala yun may ka biyahe-biyahe. Wala may ka vlog minus panagat.
Yeah.
So tag sana all na lang ta, sana all. So here we go. Using the new GoPro and the new AudioMod. So this GoPro is not the GoPro Hero 12, which is Bluetooth activated, or how do I call it, compatibility. So that's why GoPro made I think it's a third party that uses AudioMod for GoPro, so we could connect wired microphone.
It's actually great.
Yeah, so I've been really waiting for this to install it on our GoPro so that you could hear our voice while filming it.
While we are on the move.
Actually, we still have our Sony AS300. It's still functioning, but it's more easier to use the GoPro, especially when transferring the file back to the iPad. But they're the same, but GoPro is quite smaller than the AS300 when it's put on our helmet, but still do the great job on the videos. So.
And grateful for JBG for blessing us both and explore both gadgets.
So welcome to the city of Cagayan de Oro, naanami syudad. And okay lang kay dili kayo traffic.
Yeah.
So time check 8:20 sa buntag.
Tuod na.
Kini nga programa hatod kaninyo gikan kang JBG Travels, ang tagaliong nga tracker na nagarod sa Amerika. Makita o malantaw ninyo siya sa YouTube, JBG Travels.
Sa pa
Pakpak,
yung gibulat.
subscribe na.
Grabe nga, punchline.
Okay.
Gusto na yellow taxi.
Napagyapon Taxi Royal o Juan o.
That's an airport taxi.
Taxi Royal was serving during your time here 20 years ago, I think. May gani nakakita pa tag isa. Wala na gyud na sila din ni syudad ang kuan.
Ang mga taxi karon manong kay mga Avanza, Vios, naga ni Innova.
Kuan man to sa una ang Taxi Royal, mga Nissan Sentra.
Naman to'y piyuhan.
So sa una pag ito.
Nakasapon ko ato.
Piyo, mga tao na po. Muna to si Puag tawagon nga po. Kaya pag-abot nga syudad siya, sakay kita na sa po. Natawag na siya sa po.
Ah, really? Oh, dahil na nga name. Somehow pasok ni Y.
JBG, welcome to
Isalina Bridge.
Isalina Bridge. Ang karaan nga tulay.
Ugang suba nga lubog.
Suba nga lubog. Oh.
Di man ulan.
Dagan na tulay din ni sa Cagayan, JBG. Ang sa una nga panahon duha ra tulay pagbiya nimo. Marcos Bridge ra og kani.
Nanay Jerborha, Nanay Balulang.
Napulo na kabuk tulay dinhi sa Cagayan de Oro. So, Gaston Park. Dani ka man sa una ag dit-dit.
Boy.
And that is
Dynasty Hotel.
Court Hotel. Then diri nga side to the right ang katong ato giinuman, the sight bar, pero wala na sight bar diri tong area. So naa pa ang CAP, College Assurance Plan Building, and of course the Hilayan office. So baliko na dayon mi sa Vélez Street. Okay, kami sa una po. So this is also just a quick tour for you guys, and of course the JBG Travels. Okay, he misses this place. So welcome to Divisoria, JBG. Ito sa Divisoria. That Xavier dito nga side to the right. So Vélez Street, the famous Crostal Street.
Quite famous.
Nadia ang Yig Kitchenette. Karaan nga Yig Kitchenette. pansit. BPI Bank o naapagyapon, and saan ni maraming kuan VIP, yeah,
VIP nga bago lang nasunog.
bago lang nasunog.
VIP Hotel.
Morning, GR Borja, corner Vela Street. So naara ang VIP. Under renovation kaya sila.
City Central School.
City Central School. Dayon katong imingnon nga palaro kuan sa ito
Center.
Pilais Sports Center.
Manahan pa.
So again, good morning, Ami 8, JB, John Dolhite, 96 Chevy,
Miss Bev.
Miss Bev, Michael Marion, Adam Pierce, Grilled
Sir.
Mortal,
Sir Paul.
Polymedic Beleso, JBG,
Nana siya'y Hotel
Anay
Tapat.
Hotel nga New Dawn.
And then on the right, muna ng Pilay Sport Complex or palaro.
Maningingnon sila sa unang Xavier at Bangkaltik, so Mogs,
My high school alma mater. Alma mater. Saman State Highway.
we'll see. Straight ta.
Kita ni Manong Gaisano pa rin ako.
Ang Capitol Grounds,
Provincial capital
provincial capital.
of Misamis Oriental.
Siko ano?
Kuya! Yeah, Jimmy.
MJ's colleague from Samsung's office. Don't worry. So here we go. Amo gini Brad, pwede nakalusot. Kamay lang Brad. This is how we do it.
Why they have to park?
Okay, they are not turning right, so they should not block the driveway. So nara to the right. Welcome to Highway JBG, corner Vela Street. So nara ang imong inon nga Central Bank to the right.
Yes.
So naa na yung mga overpass din eh. Then there's Gaisano to the left, and to the right the NMMC, former NMRTH, or the Provincial Hospital. So kuha na dayon na siya Ayala Mall, former Coca-Cola. Kay kuan man ni diri Corrales. So that's Ayala Mall, and to the left ang
Gaisano Mall.
Gaisano City and Gaisano Mall. So our GoPro is recording for about 20 minutes and it's not stopping.
Is it not swelling?
No. So I hope you could hear our voice loud and clear. balan tanawon niya.
Ignorant.
Napagyapoy mga jeep diri JBG. Mga taxi, di na kay kakakita katong Royal Taxi nga yellow.
Wala na yun.
Wala na, yun na sila.
A yellow taxi is only for the airport taxi.
Oh, wait lang. Okay, Sano Mall and
Nazareno
to
Church.
the left Nazareno Church. So morning Ayala to the right. So next crossing anay traffic light mao na ni ang Osmania. Then diya sa kanto o SM na po din na siya o SM
Downtown.
Downtown Premier. Ayun, office na dahil ni MJ ka ng orange.
Then to the left kay former Don Mariano.
Don Mariano oh.
Now USTP.
USTP na nakaroon. Daghan na ilang mga buildings bago na. So, mananing office ni MJ, diri ko gahatod niya everyday.
Jollibee.
Unay sa Jollibee, pero wala niya to kwarta. So, okay.
So, thank you for dropping me off. And thank you for watching our mini city vlog.
GBG oh, ang bag. Oh, nana din ang bag oh. Okay, so bye-bye.
Bye.
So, okay. So, guys, thank you for watching. At John Dolhait, amigo, daghan salamat. And maayong gabi kanimo diha. Our friend, my brother in Texas, USA. So, again, to all our friends and subscribers, thank you so much. Okay, you can get it. Oh, that's good.